Spice 10 album track listing is out, and did you know this about Jada Kingdom?
Love, 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 love to save. I don't know if it's the Virgo in me or the stripper in me or what, but I love to save.
Number one, trending topic. Attention to detail, everything microscopic. New post truck, man, a pushing at the traffic.
Welcome back to the Dancehall IG channel. Hope everyone is doing well out there today. Now people, we have some video to get through, and we also have Spice album track listing. We're going to take a look at that. Something that I want to show and want to discuss with you rather, right? But people, let's talk about Jada Kingdom. So we discover something about Jada Kingdom. She posts on her story, and it turns out that Jada Kingdom is a big saver. And when we say saver, we are talking about the piggy bank, you know what I mean? Drop the kind, drop the paper money. Now for your case, you say a paper money, she loves save paper money. Now people, I know say a lot of you can relate, because I myself, you know what I mean, I always put away a little thing when I can, and then at a later date, you know, it helped me out. So I'm going to show another video, then we'll talk about it a little bit. So take a look at this video that Jada made.
I love to fucking save. Love, 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 love to save. I don't know if it's the Virgo in me or the stripper in me or what, but I love to save. My grandma taught me how to save, and ever since I just got addicted, and I love to save paper money, and I save in anything, whether a bucket, pan, cylinder, piggy bank, anything.
Yeah, people, me not lie, that's a good habit for have. You see me know say there's countless story I've heard of people talking about, you know what I mean, how them have to shake out the silver them and what have you, and it actually get them to pay for what they want to pay for. I'm sure some of you have some stories too, you know. So if anybody have any stories them want to share, you don't have to, but if you want to, you know what I mean, tell down in the comment section one time where are the little savings, the little penny them or whatever, you know what I mean, the little dollar kind them where used to put where I hit end up pay for something. You see me I say? Well people, we are gonna move on and we are gonna talk about Spice. So you know say Spice birthday is around the corner. Album a drop on her birthday and all, right? But she have two shows come up in a close proximity. Like she have one the day after her birthday, and she have one in New York. And from where she has a birthday celebration from both shows. So if you're in the Decatur area in Georgia, that's the first show on the 7th, and the next one is in New York. So may I make sure tell you now.
Bestie, no, you know my birthday, I'm not joke about it. Look for me here. It's all about blue hair, beach wear, August 7th, Atlanta, Georgia, right? A cosmopolitan, right? This a Decatur. It not get no better than this. Beach wear, get to know somebody ready, because you know me I celebrate large August. So make sure to come out for this. Blue Ear Beachwear August 7 Cosmopolitan Nightclub right at Decatur. This is Glenwood. You can't miss my birthday party. Come out for this. Get a ticket from early and come celebrate with the Queen. A problem. Go down there. Why not go down there August 7. Bestie, we could talk about my birthday party. Amazura Nightclub, August the 14th. Make sure to come out for this. It's a beachwear edition. And you know we have the big competition. Go down there, why not go down there? Problem. Queens, Bronx, Brook, everywhere in a New York City. Just reach Amazura Nightclub, the 14th. My birthday party, you know this is a normal something. Make sure to come out in a beachwear. When I talk about I'm a clean mouth, I'm a good hole, I'm a good stomach. The good gal them, come out for this. Get the ticket from early and come set up right at the front. Can we have skin right out, come all clean. Skin out the pum pum. Right there so. August the 14th. And my birthday, so you know it now go normal. Get on the ticket from early. Amazura Nightclub, Spice and Friend. It's a beachwear edition. Come out for this, man. I ask you. Yeah.
Yeah, people, so now you are going. It's in Georgia on the 7th, and then on the 14th, it's in New York. So if you're in none of them area, they are close by when you can go celebrate Spice's birthday with her, right? So big up the Queen one more time. But people, like we said, the album track listing is out, and we are going to run down it quick. You see what I mean? So we're not going to make this take up the whole time. So, you know what I mean? It's 15 songs. on it right now, and this look like an official thing. It is the official thing because this somebody screenshot this from after the pre-save. So when I think it all change again, right? So the track number 1 is a Spice, the abbreviation or name, so we don't know exactly what it stands for. Track number 2, Send It Up, that's an explicit track. Then go down the track number 3. So me like it on it again, people. You see me? So I don't know the classic, so me like it. Track 4, 5, Size Matters, and then 6, that's Pow Pow, and that's a feature in Nico. We are gonna come back to that, right? Number 7, it's Don't Care, and number 8, it's On Your Mind featuring Olaf Blackwood, and Olaf Blackwood is a write-up on the album as well, right? Then number 9 is a Top. We know that song there, right? We know Top, right? Then no, sorry people, my bad. It's not Top, it's Ed. With that song there were she does say the boy mash up her head and she give the boy the head. Me think I did that. So we don't know Top. Sorry. My mistake. Right? But number 10 it's Love Her. Number 11 is Friends. And then 12 is a Different Shit. Featuring Melissa Masiku, more if you say. If me pronounce it wrong, gonna forgive me. Right? And then number 13 Fit. Number 14 Bad Girl featuring Shaggy again, and then number 15 and 90. So right, so we see the whole track listing and couple of new songs there on the still. You see what I say? Well, that's a mostly new song from what we see. But let's talk about track number 6, Pow Pow, featuring Nico. So when we look upon it and say featuring Nico, it's spelled exactly like our fear Nico spell, our son Nicholas, right? Same way in name spell. So me, I assume that is her son. I want to know him sing already. If you don't know, well, him sing. So me never really seem like I've done an artist thing like he want to be an artist, but we know him enter in him school singing and them thing there. So me, I think say our son that. One thing gonna tell me down in the comment section. See? Right? Because me can't think I know other Nico. I don't know who else we think about. You know what I mean? Unless a Nico will match up everybody's life. I match up on my life. But you know what I mean? On a serious note though, people, I really think it's her son. I look forward to hear that. It's a good move by Spice too. You see me? So I want to tell me what I think about the track listing so far. You know, we know songs like Friends. We know Go Down There Already. And you know what I mean? I don't know what else, I don't know what they on it, but it looked like a good body of work from the name of the song, them people. You see what I mean? I say, from what we hear so far. So now tell me what you think about the album track listing down in the comment section. So big up Spice one more time. You know, it look like she go up on vacation or she gone already, we don't know. We soon see videos them for that. But anyway, people, that's it. So if it's your first time on this channel and you like this video, please go ahead and subscribe. If you just subscribe, welcome to the Dancehall IG family. To all my long-time subscribers, thank you for being here. Keep on liking, sharing, and commenting. Everybody, want to big up on yourself. Have a wonderful day or night or whatever time it is, wherever you are.
We got Diamond in my AP. Dancehall IG. Atina. Excuse me, that's an IG, rich, punk, should know, 10 to blacks, yaddy!